please accept my apologies again, because I would like to take a selfie, and I really will always be standing people. Dr. Joseph Stephens Maliar, Ms. Vianney Otero, Dr. Ferdinand Tomaki, Mr. Erwin Brano, Dean Aaron Vixilia, the rest of the administrators, faculty members, staff, parents, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a promising afternoon. I have a few questions today, and I'd like you to answer in your mind. What is it in today? What makes a man or a woman a billionaire today? What will make you outstanding? For me, by being unique in our own way. And this is it. What a privilege to stand on behalf of this batch and to gain a chance to tell the tale of what we went through before reaching the height of this endeavor, to be worthy and ready in the industry. Before we tell the story, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all people who helped us reach this achievement. Our parents, guardians that paid a lot of hard work from waking up early to prepare our things and foods, for working so hard to earn extra income just to finance our projects, photocopies, and other hidden payables. This may be sometimes for our pleasure and to unwind ourselves. So, why would we face them? With guilt? I mean, with a grateful heart. Graduates, please stand and face your parents. Guardians, please stand. And all together, let's say thank you. Mama, Papa, go. And let's give them a big round of applause for the measurable deeds toward our journey. And also, let's give a big hand to our teachers for promoting us through sharing their expertise and ability. Thank you very much, teachers. Quizzes might be difficult but challenging. Projects might be troublesome, but makes us understand better. Tests was brain draining, but made us realize that things are not easy to pass. Thesis might be nerve-wracking, but makes us professional and even improve with dealing with uncertainties. And to our school administrators for giving us the opportunity and field to learn. At this moment, let me share to you the most challenging experiences in college. Before I start, it was a strange journey. I was a boy, living in my dreams, a boy listening to this place, yet so ready to face challenges and obstacles. Like everyone here, right? That I believe that the best car in the world will not take you to the right place if you do not know where to go. Again, I repeat, that the best car in the world will not take you to the right place if you yourself do not know where to go. So I planned one course to take up, which is information technology that I love the most. But therefore, it's not a pain and burden to come to school every day and live every day. But every one of us is so skeptical and doubtful because we do not know what will happen in college, whether it will be a success or a failure. My first expedition in college, I was luckily accepted as one of the facilitators of NSTV. It's where I boosted my confidence in facing the crowd. I also learned the value of sharing and teaching the knowledge and civic awareness. Though it was quite short, yet it was very satisfying. My journey continued as I jumped into another page that is, I thought, to be the most awesome and remarkable moment of my life. I applied as a technical assistant and was luckily hired and attained the highest rank. I didn't expect that then, since my co-trainees were all amazing, having our own uniqueness for fighting for the position. As a newbie, I am very much excited and motivated to do my service and give smiles to our bosses, which is you, dear students. Along with the journey, I was recognized with excellence and I felt so thankful for that. The next semester then, I was promoted as a team leader. That time was overly challenging to me since I'm still young and my colleagues that I'm managing are even older than me. Even if there are people who does criticize every action I make, I learned this time that we must remember, we cannot please everybody. Instead, I continue to cherish what I have, along with my colleagues that became my close friends. Working with DNTS is tough, yet fulfilling, able to serve and satisfy our clients. This chapter made me more mature, even with my young age. More responsible, clever, with all hands-on experiences that I surpassed. I even remember to learn abruptly when my immediate hands sent me to a familiar task. At the end of the day, we merged successfully. With the Department of Network and Technical Services, I learned the value of relationship, friends, and comrades. Call it my family. So, to all TAs and always, please stand up to be recognized. Stand up. And these are the people that I would like to thank you, very thankful for. Thank you very much. Let's give them. Along with this hard work is the perseverance to finish studying. I'll always remain our times in class that we networked, open Wi-Fi, competed, and most especially, slept. I'm also thankful to our teachers whom are to consider that would let us sleep also. But amidst this busy, stressful journey, more high obstacles came. Financial barriers, broken family relationships. My mother passed away when I was 9, and my father was 9. Lots of best friends. My handsome best friend is still missing, Robert Gonzalez. You can see him. And to our friend who taught us to smile in difficult situations, Teresa. Opportunity to enjoy Rock's English life story, failures, redemptions, and many more that made me this. But these didn't stop what I wished for at the very beginning. These even added fire to the way that we have in our hearts, and even made us stronger. For me, as a part of my aunt, Nina and my elder supporter, Lola, and my cousin, my brother, my friends, thank you very much for having me. So with all of these, I was able to compete in different inter-school competitions such as Powerplay Schools Year 3, which we emerged to brag as a champion and Year 4 as a first runner-up together with my teammates. And I was also able to compete as the regionals and web design. And successfully bagged the gold and was able to have the honor to represent E7 in the Philippine Special Skills Competition last year. And unexpectedly, I received a diploma of excellence. But not to brag over again, because this is not only mine, this is ours. Our pride is ACT's pride. I would like to thank everybody for that. Not even support that we are the competition. The last challenge was our thesis, because I was compressed in short period and had to know all the time. We have to spend about overnights to accomplish what should be done, searching what we didn't know, and of course, patience and courage to continue what we have started. More pizzas, ice cream, coffee, and more food than we shoot, and a lot of hours the sleep being missed. But amidst that, and really what matters most to me is the bonding and able to enjoy life has to offer. Together with my friends, the team. All of my friends, please stand up to be recognized. So I learned this time that we really need to step outside, get some fresh air, and have a break from these stressful events. Or else, we might end up dying in sickness. There are numerous things that I wish to share to you, but I took up all day to tell you. But I would like to point out 9 progress and lessons I learned along the journey. First, we have to love what we do, because this will make us never work again in our lives. Take the path that you really love, not the other's choice, but your own choice. Remember, we are the ones who decide which path to choose. Our friends and family are only there to guide us. Second, challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them makes life interesting. Meaningful, I mean. Each of us has our own challenges in life. We just have to be tough, stand tall and be firm, and after that, we become stronger. Let every sunset mark today an effort of achievement. Cherish and make every moment the best out of it. Learn to become humble and always offer all these to God. And lastly, always give yourself a prayer and feel that we are human. It's really okay to cry. Very sorry for crying. We hope to unwind from our busy schedule and enjoy what life has to offer. Feel free to break down, because it shows our vulnerability as a human. And after that, we compose ourselves and come back to the path that we chose, the road of success and happiness. So, after this, let's don't forget to take a selfie, because what will be captured is a unique individuality, which is you and us. Well, thank you very much for letting me share to you the life and be inspired with what we accomplished this wonderful achievement. Congratulations to our graduates, and zero left to take our own path. Thank you.
Thank you, John. So take your seats. Hey, thank you, John, for the